back again for, so this was the day 10 attempt. It was the Hallows Eve. I remember it being pretty hot, and I had technical difficulties, so I didn't upload the video because the sound was horrible. So I'm going to go ahead and eat it again, just so that there's a day 10 on my thing here, because I'm missing day 10. So take out, just a tad bit of these seeds. Make sure there's nothing going on here. Let me chop it in half too. Have a look at it. So this is the Hallows Eve pepper. I remember this thing being pretty spicy. Alright, so here we go. Gotta make sure I wash my hands really good. Yeah, it's spicy. I'm a hot little guy. Man. Oh, you know, it's been a few days since I've eaten the Golden Reaper and the Reaper Cross that I thought was a Primatelli, but it wasn't. It's been a few days since I've eaten those, and I haven't eaten any pods since, so my tolerance, I think, has kind of dropped a little. So this thing's pretty hot. I don't know where it sits at the Scoville scale. I think this is one of the ones that if you look up Hallows Eve, you might not be able to find much on it. Oh, I do believe it was a cross between a purple Phantom and a black Phantom, red/black. Oh, it's like a severe mouth burn, a little bit in the throat, but man, my cheeks and tongue are just on fire. I know as soon as I go for this, it's going to even get worse. I think I can feel it in my stomach too. Oh, I think it's been about a minute. I can feel it in my stomach. It's like, oh, I don't know if, I don't drink Coke and Pepsi anymore. But if you ever had a Coke on an empty stomach, it kind of feels like it's eating your insides alive, or your stomach might feel a little raw. That's kind of what I got going on right now. And I did eat before this, like a half hour before. It's hot. See, once I start drinking, I can't stop. It's like, it intensifies. And it only feels good if you have water in your mouth or something in your mouth. And only for that second. Man. Alright. Everyday hot pepper challenge. Yeah. Watch for my one chip challenge and see what I think about that. It's coming soon. Peace out, guys.